Hey guys, welcome back. It's been long I haven't uploaded a video, but on this video I'm gonna be showing you how to install a wire on a 2015 Toyota Corolla. Super excited. I seen in one of the group chats on Facebook, I think they install red on their dashboard. It looks pretty sick. It looks pretty nice, and I want to install blue. I want to see how it looks like at night, and kind of excited. But with this one, it comes with a USB connection, so I could connect it with the USB. I actually ordered for two of them, one for the phone and one for the lights, and I'm kind of excited to see how it's gonna turn out to be, especially at night. So hope you guys like this video, and let's get started. Here's the connection where I'm gonna connect this one to the USB with the car, and this connection, this one right here, I'm gonna connect it with this one so it could turn on, and let's test it out right now. Sorry if the camera's kind of shaky, but I'm using one hand, so hope you guys can understand it. Let me connect the USB to the car and let me see how the lights look. They look pretty nice. Alright, let's go ahead and install it. So I'm gonna start right here.
You just rather watch me fall from a quarter mile. I can see you at the call. Think about it, ring won't tell you what I saw. When you break it off, you'll see who had it all. You had it all.
There's no line to put it right here, so I'm gonna put it right here in the trim. I'm gonna cross it over. If I should cut it or go through another layer. I could go through another layer. Look, another layer. Let me know in the comments below if I should. So I put it again, second layer on the whole thing. But let me know guys in the comments below if I should just cut it here or leave it on with the second one. But right now I'm gonna connect the keys. And let's see how it works. Doesn't look bad. Sorry about the beeping thing with the car, but it looks pretty nice. I gotta fix that. This is at night, so hope you like this video. Give us a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, comment below. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe